For today's farmers starting out, expanding, or evaluating what's next, the landscape can be intimidating. With constantly evolving challenges and never-ending risk, moving confidently toward your goals takes a partner dedicated to agriculture and to understanding your financing needs.
New and beginning farmers, such as myself, sometimes you have to just roll up your sleeves and do it yourself. Being able to work with a lending institution that understands that and is willing to take a risk on you, that's important.
That's Farm Credit Services of America. We're built to serve agriculture and its people, many of whom are young and starting on their own. And as a cooperative owned by our customers, we deliver financial strength and have the capacity to be a constant in your individual journey. Because we understand and respect why you farm and ranch in the first place. You've watched them do it and are ready to build on that legacy.
It's rewarding to be able to be on the farm that I know has been in my family for over 150 years, and there's not a lot of people that can say that and then know that we're doing all that we can to continue to be good stewards of the ground and be able to grow the operation and be able to hand it down.
We collaborate with thousands of young and beginning producers who can benefit from dedicated financial services, coaching and guidance, education, networking, mentoring support, and more.
To endure through those challenges, through that adversity, and see the end product, it just means a whole lot. And to be able to do that in a lifestyle that means so much to Brian and I, means so much to our family, to be able to instill that kind of work ethic in our children, it's just something we're really passionate about. We wouldn't have it any other way.
We share your desire to be part of the future while making those before you proud by equipping you with the tools to make it your own.
They just really go the extra mile to make sure that young producers have every opportunity, everything they need to possibly have the best start that they can get.
Farm Credit Services of America. Agriculture works here.